Camp Nou is changing faster than ever. And the latest update brings some spectacular surprises. The stadium is not just taking shape anymore, it is starting to reveal its final identity. From the massive compression ring and rising diamonds to the new decorative slats and colorful LED lights, major changes are unfolding across the stadium. So let's take a closer look at the latest transformation of the new Camp Nou. A striking transformation is taking shape at the south goal lateral corner, where the decorative slats are already giving this mobility core a much more refined appearance. The covering now reaches from the stadium access level to the second terrace, while the space up to the third terrace remains unfinished. Meanwhile, the second VIP ring is almost completely covered, with only a small section near the north goal still remaining. And with workers now preparing to adjust more decorative slats, additional sections between the mobility cores could soon begin to take shape. Attention is now shifting toward the third tier, where several important finishing tasks are underway. Workers are sealing structural joints, refining stairways, and carrying out repairs on seating steps to ensure every section meets final standards. Activity can also be seen around the stair crow. Although this level still has a long way to go, the upper seating bowl is steadily taking shape with visible progress across multiple areas. The VIP ring has reached another significant milestone. The sandwich panel installation is now essentially complete, fully enclosing the VIP level around the stadium. Construction teams are continuing to finish balcony sections, interior walls, and service areas while carrying out measurements for the next phase of work. With the enclosure progressing rapidly, the VIP spaces are beginning to resemble their final layout. The stadium seating continues to evolve as more temporary scaffolding is removed, especially along the lateral sections. This is gradually revealing additional rows of seats and providing a much clearer view of the bowl. New access doors have also been installed in several VIP sections while crews continue refining camera platforms, stairways, and spectator access routes. Each of these small improvements is helping transform the stadium into a fully functional matchday venue. A major structural milestone is getting closer at Camp Nou, as the massive compression ring is now just one pillar away from reaching the tribune sector on the south goal side. The next pillar already has its temporary support structure prepared. The north goal side is following the same pattern, also just one pillar away. Once both pillars are installed, the remaining pillars will be clearly visible from the center of tribune, starting the final countdown toward the complete closure of the compression ring. A spectacular new detail is starting to emerge at Camp Nou, with the first LED lighting tests now lighting up the stadium. The system is no longer limited to white. The tests are already showing changing shades of blue, purple, and red. Even more impressive, the colors appear to shift along the lighting line, creating a dynamic visual effect. And with this system expected to extend around the stadium and across additional levels, the final nighttime view could be truly spectacular. A closer look at the lateral sector reveals all three diamonds taking shape, each with a similar design but different sizes and progress levels. The central diamond is already almost fully exposed in concrete, showing how quickly these structures reveal their final form once the temporary supports and formwork are removed. Meanwhile, the largest diamond, closest to the south goal, still needs reinforcement steel, beam completion, and the final concrete pour. Around it, the large open area also requires further ground leveling, while the remaining supports, formwork panels, and temporary structures are still being cleared step by step. Camp Nou is becoming more impressive with every stage of its transformation. The stadium is steadily revealing the vision of a modern football landmark, with its unique design taking shape day by day. There is still more to come, but the new Camp Nou is already looking truly spectacular.